Come here and look at this. Here we are. Umpteenth video in this unit. Stuff everywhere. I'm talking great treasure. You got to go all over the place to see it. Mainly his channel, if you haven't been on mine. $4,300. I think this is a big jackpot. We're almost done. We're getting down to the last wall of stuff, guys. Anyway, let's continue on. Gonna be full of the bestest jewelry in the...
What you're thinking.
Well, I think about this, you find a lot of jewelry and stuff, right? But if you think about all the jewelry we found, none of it really just looked like it came out of a jewelry box. It just looked real. Oh, Jack. What did I just tell you I wanted to find? No, yeah, but what did I say it was gonna be full of? Come here and look at this. Look at that.
Oh my goodness. You've always find the good stuff.
I don't know. Do you know? I thought it was randomly odd that you went and found, took the box right off it. Jack, we just hit the jackpot. No, come over here. Just get a good look at what we got to look through here.
Oh my goodness. This is good.
I don't even know where to begin.
Let's clear some room.
Let's clear some room. Please be another Cartier. No, but it looks like silver though, doesn't it?
Okay. We
got a piece of silver there. We got a good amount of silver here, Jack. Oh, I just sold one of these last night on the auction. It was the other day I sold the match to this in my auction.
The one that came out of here?
Yeah, I sold it for like 40 bucks. I was kind of, ooh, are you gold? Oh man, no. She's gonna have something good. I'm really nervous right now, Jack, because I have a feeling that inside that jewelry box that's in there,
that's the good stuff.
It might just blow our minds. That's gold.
Here, I'll do it.
Oh my god. Look at this, Jack. This is awesome. This is a gold tip right here, 14 karat on these Honora beads. Now, what do we have here? That's gold. And are those diamonds? Quite sure that's gold. Could be wrong. We got a lot of little tiddly work to do here. You know? This is silver. Right. So no, maybe not. Look at these little pieces here. Beautiful silver pieces. Look, 14 karat gold on that guy right there.
Nice.
A little charm.
That's a charm, huh?
Yeah, look at that. Silver earrings. The breast cancer symbol, no. An A. A lot of silver. Ooh, what do we got here? Money. That's silver. Huh? Okay. And then, okay. Now, I'm excited. I'm nervous. How nervous are you? Let's go with, especially considering like we found that Cartier watch. Like there's just no telling what we're able to find in this unit. This is just stainless steel watch, but cool. Adrian. Okay, come on. Sterling signatures. That could be sterling. And a mini. All right, much more to go, Jack. Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous. Oh, what is this? Gossip. I've been a victim of that a time or two. Let's just... should we do this now or wait and do the other one? What do you think? There's definitely more in here.
Oh, I know. These little cases look good.
Pop a few open. That's silver right there. Right? Yep, that is silver right there, Jack. Come on.
Tiffany. I like that word.
That is silver as can be.
Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Some cubic zirconians, you think? Yeah, that's tons of gems.
So try it at the peak. I knew there was another jewelry box in here. I knew it. I had just literally... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, not only that, but where is the actual box?
Yeah.
So now we have even more hope that there's going to be more. Oh, wow. What is that? Thailand. Doesn't say gold. It says Thailand. The pin looks cool. We have to look this one up. Wasn't there another one with that name?
What is it?
Escalini. Look, it says sterling silver.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at that, coins. Oh, whatever this is. Is it the same one or is this a different one?
It's just like really nice ones.
They're all silver. They're beautiful.
Ooh. Oh, I thought that was going to say 14 karat. A lot of people overlook cufflinks quite often, and they... So many of those little boxes, huh?
Yeah, this is a lot of good jewelry. That's another. Oh, this is QVC. That's why.
Mm-hmm. Sterling silver. Okay, there's a few pieces here. It's so hard to look at, guys. I mean, it's not hard to look at in that sense, but it's like we can't just see everything without. It's safe to say we really scored on this unit.
I think so too.
This is the most amount of gold and silver I've found in a while.
Me too.
Oh, what is... Trifari, dang, that would have been a nice one. That's still cool because Trifari is a good name. I think that says 925 on it, but that's still freaking... Oh, is that silver?
I'm pretty sure.
Another one of these.
This is 95 made in Italy.
Sterling silver and stainless steel.
Nice.
Come on, Rolex. Only thing we haven't found in here. A Peugeot.
That's good too.
Is it?
I think so. I know we've had them in our auctions before. Look at all these.
Yeah. It doesn't sound promising. It sounded like it was full of something.
Oh, what a neat box there.
Yeah. I'm gonna throw it away. No?
If it's empty, we just bring it to market, I guess.
Okay. If you say so.
Oh, this could be good.
Oh, because that's a good brand.
Is it? Bailey Banks and Biddle?
I wonder how many more jewelry boxes are in here. What do you think? At least 8? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what do we have here?
It might just be costume.
Crap. I was hoping for something really nice in here.
Okay, I think that's costume.
Those are nice. Look at that. We need another one of these.
It's almost like it matches the necklaces.
We're gonna have to like lay them all out, you know, and then double check for the pairs. That would have been nice too. It's silver though. I mean, it's still cool.
Yeah.
But you want to find gold, right? I guess.
Absolutely.
Ideally, that's what you want to see. I don't think we're done with jewelry, to to be honest with you, Jack.
Think there's more?
Well, think
Still
about
no
where
rings,
is
right?
this? In the back corner?
Hope so.
It's a box that should have something in it. And then we still got more in here, Jack. We're not done. Oh, of course, the 14 karat one's not in there.
Come on, pretty little box. Uh-oh. That's... silver at least, maybe?
White gold. Okay. Something I want to see at this point. Oh. No. Yeah, maybe.
Anything good there?
I don't know yet.
Is in the garage box?
Looking for two people. Because this is a little past LeBron James. Ooh, there we go. That is not freaking Kobe Bryant. Is this an error? Or am I? Wow, I've never seen a card that didn't look like him. Look. Tell me that does not look like him, does it?
It's not a good shot.
That is like the worst shot of Kobe I ever seen. But that might be a rookie. Look up Top Stadium Club Kobe. That could be a rookie because it says 96. I probably shouldn't even touched it, but I did.
Sure, it comes up rookie, but let's see.
Does it have high value?
Do we know the year?
It says 96.
Oh yeah, oh sorry.
It's an alright binder. Just still auction it. Pretty good at looking up parts.
Good enough.
This is kind of neat. That's not market. It's different.
So
I'm not going to show you guys this. I could tell you right now it's a lot of gold and silver. You got to go to Locker Nuts for that. 2 boxes here, but they say garage. I'm not anticipating a lot of hope in those. There is so much jewelry here. I can't even begin to describe. Piles. This right here is on Jack's channel. This box here, I mean, come on. Found a Cartier. Like, this is... I don't even know where to begin with everything that we found in this unit. It's not even like a massive pile of great stuff, just a bunch of cool stuff, and then a few boxes of amazing treasures. Silver, gold, silver, gold, silver, gold. Any last words?
I'm in shock really still.
Look at the look on his face, guys. He's speechless.
Yeah.
We're gonna wrap this up, call it a day. Thanks for watching. Like button, share button, subscribe. Little bonus footage if you stay, but I brought home a box that was sitting there and I didn't go through too thoroughly, and we found a bunch of Hummel. These pieces right here are beautiful. This is some type of crystal, and we got these Hummel pieces right here. Hummel. This stuff right here is really nice. I mean, it's not like 80, 100 bucks a piece, but I'm thinking at least 20 a piece, whatever. We're gonna auction that all off, and then look at this, ladies and gentlemen. We hit the jackpot on yard throw. So much yard throw. Whoo. This was all in a box when I got bored and I didn't look in it. and I took it home later on, and it wasn't as boring as I thought. Usually glass boxes really, really bore me. They're in every unit's got it, so it's not as exciting. It's not the easiest thing to sell, but this stuff here, this is real nice. This will end up in the auction, not to mention this stuff here. Check these out. These are old snuff bottles. These are nice too. That's some last minute pieces from this unit that really paid off well, I think. This is all silver from the locker with Jack and I, basically. Some nice pieces though. All of this is silver. This is my half. Even this is silver. I don't think the coins are, but the necklace is. Yeah, what do we have? Breakfast stuff?
Bacon, hash browns, and eggs.
Okay. This is gold-plated silver. These are silver rhinestone necklaces. This is from the locker I bought right before the one with I and Jack. Some crap silver. That's the gold from that locker. And then this is gold from Jack and I's locker. This right here is $1,350 just in scrap gold. If you scrap it 18 karat. And this is all 14 karat. And this is my sterling silver set. I'll be eating cereal with this tonight. And then some scrap silver and some gold. Now we've come to the real end of this video. This unit was awesome. I even actually, Jack ended up just kind of letting me deal with the last bit of stuff. I made a few hundred bonus bucks because I took the flea market load by myself and he walked away and just kept what we're splitting down the middle. I did a little extra work, but that's fine. But all in all, the jackpot, the gold, silver, I think we ended up with over $10,000 in gold and silver between both of our videos. Don't forget to check out his channel. And then we got back a good chunk of our money through the sales of the unit. That was definitely a home run. Jack and I always have like a pretty good batting average. I think we're batting up like 800 or something. I don't know. We had the pallets, the vaults. That wasn't a very good day, but you can't hit a home run every day.